ఆల్రెడీ 7th క్లాస్లో మనకి యాసిడ్ బేసిస్ గురించి ఐడియా ఉంది. వన్స్ అగైన్ we start the acid basis in 10th class. Here acid, what is meant by acid? The Latin word, this is the Latin word acidus. Acid is coming from a Latin word acidus. What is acidus mean? Sour to taste. Acids are sour to taste. పుల్లగా ఉంటుంది, రుచి పుల్లగా ఉంటుంది. Sour to taste. Next, red litmus, blue litmus turns to red. Blue litmus turns to red. Suppose you give the red litmus, there is no change. Any acid solution is there, blue litmus kept in the solution, the solution changes to red. If you give the red litmus paper, there is no change. And methyl orange indicator turns to red in color. Methyl orange indicator also turns to red. Next one is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein turns to colorless. Phenolphthalein indicator kept in the acidic solution changes to colorless. There is no color. Next one is acid react with metals to give H2 gas. Acid react with metals. Acids reacting with some metals, they produce hydrogen gas. These are the main important properties of acid. And which is called an acid? A substance which produce H plus ions or H3O, hydronium ion, H3O plus ions in an aqueous solution. What is meant by acid? An acid is a substance which produces H plus ions or H3O plus, that means hydronium ions in an aqueous solution. Example, HCl, H2SO4, etc. HCl means hydrochloric acid, H2SO4 means sulfuric acid. This is an acid. Acid is coming from the Latin word, derived from the Latin word acidus. What is acidus means? Sour. Acids are sour to taste. Suppose blue litmus kept in an acid changes to red. Methyl orange kept in the acid turns to red. Phenolphthalein indicator turns to colorless. Acid react with metals to give hydrogen gas. A substance which produce H plus ions or H3O plus, that means hydronium ions in an aqueous solution, is called an acid. Is called an acid. Example means sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. Next one is base. What is meant by base? Bitter to taste. Base are bitter to taste. And red litmus turns to blue, changes to blue. Methyl orange indicator changes to yellow. Methyl orange indicator changes to yellow. Phenolphthalein indicator. This changes to pink in color. Phenolphthalein indicator changes to pink in color. Here base also. Bases react with metals to produce H2 gas. Bases also produce H2 gas. A base is a substance. What is meant by base? Base is a substance which produce OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Example: KOH, NaOH, etc. This is the base. Base means better to taste and soapy to touch. Soapy to touch. Smelling property. Here red litmus changes to blue color. Methyl orange indicator changes to yellow. Phenolphthalein indicator changes to pink. Bases also react with metals to produce hydrogen gas. Here what is meant by base? A base is a substance which produces OH minus ions, hydrox ions in an aqueous solution. Example: KOH, NaOH, etc. KOH means potassium hydroxide, NaOH means sodium hydroxide. The next one is which is called strong acid. Strong acid. More H plus or H3O plus ions in an aqueous solution, which is called strong acid. Strong acid means an acid which produces more H plus ions or more H3O plus ions in an aqueous solution. Example: HCl, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, weak acid. Weak acid means less number of hydrogen ions or H3O plus ions. In an aqueous solution. Example: acetic acid, CH3, COOH, etc. Phosphoric acid also. Next one is strong base. Strong base produce more OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Example: KOH, NaOH. Strong base means a base is a substance which produces more OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Example: potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Next one is weak base. Less number of OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Example: MgOH twice, NH4OH, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, etc. These are all called weak bases. These are the definitions of weak base. Sometimes this question is given as 4 marks question. What is that 4 marks question means? Explain the strong acid, weak acid, strong base and weak base. Write the definition and example. Any 1 or 2 examples are enough. Suppose weak acid, another example is H3PO4. acid which strong acid, an acid which produce more H plus ions or H3O plus ions in an aqueous solution is called strong acid. Example: HCl, hydrochloric acid, H2SO4, sulfuric acid. Weak acid. Weak acid means an acid which produce less number of H plus or H3O plus ions in an aqueous solution. Example is acetic acid, phosphoric acid. Strong base. Strong base means same, but OH minus ions. And a base which produce more OH minus ions in an aqueous solution is called strong base. Example: potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Weak base, a base which produce less OH minus ions in an aqueous solution. Example: magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, etc. Okay, next question is, why distilled water does not conduct electricity? Does not conduct electricity. Distilled water does not conduct electricity. Why? Distilled water means, in the distilled water there is no formation of ions. There is no H plus or OH minus ions. That's why it acts as a bad conductor of electricity. This is the 1 mark or 2 marks question. Suppose 1 mark. Why distilled water does not conduct electricity? Answer is, there is no formation of ions. Distilled water does not dissociate into ions. Next, explain neutralization reaction. What is meant by neutralization reaction? Here, acid react with base to form salt and water. To form salt and water. Acid react with base to form salt and water. For example, HCl plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. HCl means hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide to form sodium chloride salt plus H2O. In this reaction, 13.7 kilocalories of energy is released. This is a neutralization reaction, 2 marks question. When acid react with base to form salt and water, in this reaction heat energy is released. Here HCl plus NaOH both are strong. Strong acid react with strong base to form salt and water, and 13.7 kilocalories of energy is released. This is the 2 marks question. Next question is, this is the first question, this is second, third, this is fourth. Why milkman add small quantity of baking soda to fresh milk? Why milkman add small quantity of baking soda to a fresh milk? Fresh milk, suppose to preserve the fresh milk for more time, small quantity of baking soda is needed, because the pH value, to increase the pH value, it can store longer time. That is the reason for this. That means acidic property increases. The more time is kept in the milk as this condition, what happens means the acidic nature of the milk increases. To suppress that acidic nature, we add baking soda. Baking soda means there is a base. Then pH value increases. You can restore more time. This is also 2 marks question. Okay, next one is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris should be stored should be stored in a moisture-proof container. Why? Plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris means CaSO4 of H2O. This is the plaster of Paris formula. This is a powder, white color powder form. When it is kept in the moisture-proof container, why means suppose it is kept open air, it absorbs the water vapor from the surrounding and become gypsum. By adding sufficient quantity of water, it becomes CaSO4 2H2O. This is called gypsum. It is kept in the open place. It absorbs water vapor from the surrounding and becomes gypsum hard material. That's why it is kept in the moisture-proof container. This is also 2 marks question. Another 4 marks question is there. Acid react with metals. Zinc granules, dilute HCl, H2S, H2 gas, boiling test tube, stand. Here there is a question is aim. What is the aim of this? This is a 4 marks question. Acid produce H2 gas when it is react with metals. Acid produce hydrogen gas when it react with metals. Materials. What are the materials required? Zinc granules, dilute HCl and stand, test tube, boiling test tube, water tub, glass tub. This is the soap water. Soap water. Matchbox. Candle. See, to prove the acid react with metals to produce H2 gas. Same question as it is, write in the same part. Materials required. What are the materials required? What are the requirements? You can write zinc granules, dilute HCl, stand, test tube, boiling test tube, water tub, soap water, matchbox and candle. Take some quantity of zinc granules in the test tube. It is this boiling test tube is fixed to the stand, and a single hole rubber coil is fixed to that. Add dilute HCl to this. Next one, side delivery tube is fixed to this soap water tub. After reaction complete, what happened means this zinc granules, zinc means metal, this metal react with HCl. What happened means ZnCl2 plus H2 gas. Zinc react with chlorine, hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and H2 gas. This H2 gas is coming from the side delivery to, it is kept inside the soap water. It forms the bubbles and produce above the water cup. Take a burning candle and introduce in this soap water bubble. Then water bubble makes a pop sound and put out. That produce H2 gas. When the air bubble put off with a pop sound means that produce H2 gas. This is the experiment, 4 marks question. You must draw the diagram, explain the matter, aim, materials required, procedure, last one is result. Write the equation also. This is also very, very important, total 4 marks questions.